Oi, oi, you fucking inmates of this huge open-air prison, the UK. It's Wednesday again already, which can only mean one thing. It's time for another deep dive into the swirling toilet bowl of British weather lies, lovingly flushed out by yours truly, Craven bloody Morehead. If you're new here, congratulations, you've just stumbled into the most accurate weather forecast this side of the matrix. If you're one of my loyal followers, you already know what's coming. A high pressure blast of fuck off aimed squarely at the narrative. Let's get into it. Apparently, this weekend marks the official end of meteorological summer. Aww. Bless. I'll light a scented candle for your flabby low pressure system and your fading hopes. But don't worry, they're not sad. Because according to the Ministry of Manipulation, we've just had the warmest summer on record. Warmer than 1976, warmer than 2018, warmer than that time your nan melted into the lino during a July heat wave. And what's the reason for this sudden surge in solar obliteration? Oh, don't worry. They've got explanations. Apparently, it's a marine heat wave and a really dry spring and 4 heat waves in a row. And of course, the golden ticket, climate change. Now, I'm not saying the planet isn't acting weird. I'm saying the people paid to explain it are talking out of their laminated arses. We've got flabby lows slopping around the UK like forgotten trifle at a pensioner's buffet, rain that can't decide if it's arriving, staying or turning into a category 4 depression, and the models, oh, the beloved global models, now just educated guesswork with a graphics package. Watch out for Saturday, they say, could be a washout, could also be dry, could also be sideways lightning while a hedgehog does the conga. No one actually knows, but they'll still say it with a smile and a clickbait thumbnail. And speaking of smiley liars, let's talk about that haboob in Arizona. Yes, apparently a haboob swept across the states, shutting airports and turning festivals into dust bowls. That's why. Now, in a rare moment of honesty, I decided to break out the Crayola kit and explain how clouds work. Like I've never fucking seen a cumulonimbus before. Thanks, babe, but I think the people choking on particulates would rather know why these plumes are getting stronger and timed with military drills. But sure, keep drawing your little raindrops. And now for the comedy finale. Apparently the Met Office is avoiding talking about the 2-week forecast because they don't want to step on people's toes. Are you taking the piss? If you're withholding forecast because your weather gang has a petty calendar feud, you don't deserve a studio, you deserve a slapping. So what's the truth? We're being geo-slow cooked. The atmosphere is being kneaded like dough by artificial systems. A steaming pile of geo-engineered, chemtrail-laced, government-orchestrated bullshit. I'm done with the saccharine weather reports and the lying bastards in suits who think they can control the skies and our minds. This forecast, it's the raw, unfiltered truth, served with a middle finger to the corrupt pricks pulling the strings. Buckle up, it's gonna be a proper shitstorm. Today, it's a bloody circus out there. You'll get some sunny patches, yeah, those fleeting moments when the sky gods pretend they're not fucking with us. But don't be fooled. Showers are waiting to screw you over, some heavy enough to drown your hopes and dreams. It's not just rain, mind you, it's the fallout from their aerosol spraying, climate tweaking bollocks. You think this weather's natural? Wake up, sheeple! Let's talk about the Atlantic, where the real dodgy shit's brewing. There's a system out there, a flabby, deep, low pressure that used to be Hurricane Erin. Sounds like a washed-up reality TV star, doesn't it? It's been dragged across the ocean and now it's squatting northwest of the UK, stirring up chaos. This ain't just weather, mates. It's the result of their sky-spraying experiments, and the media's too spineless to call it out. This low's driving the unsettled crap we're wading through, and it's got the fingerprints of those geoengineering wankers all over it. Tomorrow, oh, it's going to get uglier. A frontal system's rolling in like a government psyop, dumping heavy, thundery rain that'll make you want to scream. Across the UK, showers are popping off like the lies from Westminster. Scotland and Northern Ireland, you're getting fucked hardest. South and east, you might dodge the worst, but don't count on it. The sun'll tease you in the east, pushing temps to the mid-20s, maybe high 20s, hot enough to make you forget the chemtrails for a second. Out west, it's fresher, low 20s, because the weather gods are sadistic bastards who love a postcode lottery. Evening rolls in and the showers might chill out for some, leaving clear skies, unless you're in the far west or southwest. Northern Ireland, bits of Wales and southwest England are about to get battered with more rain and winds that'll blow your bloody mind. Why? Because that Atlantic system's a puppet of the globalist arseholes messing with our climate. Overnight, it's fresher, with temps in the mid-teens for most towns, maybe single digits in rural spots. But don't get comfy, these sky-spraying pricks want you cold, wet and miserable. Come tomorrow, that band of heavy, thundery rainstorms east like a tabloid exposé, with gusty winds to make it extra spicy. It'll move fast, but not before dumping 15 to 20 millimetres of whatever the fuck they're spraying on us. Gardeners and farmers might think it's a blessing, but I'm not buying it. What's in that rain, eh? Aluminium, barium, Bill Gates's jizz. As it clears east, drier and brighter weather sneaks in, but the west will still get peppered with showers. Temps drop a few degrees, especially in the east, and when the wind and rain hit, it'll feel like the government's personally spitting in your face. By evening, the system limps off to fuck over eastern England and northeast Scotland with more heavy bursts, but clearer skies follow for some. Don't get your hopes up though. The rest of the week, a proper autumnal shit show. Rain, showers and blustery winds are coming, mostly from the west because that's where the chemtrail jets love to dump their load. Saturday's looking especially mental with gusty winds. Bet they're testing some new weather weapon. Want more? Check the deep dive with Craven, the only one who's not still shilling for the Met Office's lies. I'm done with their scripted bollocks, their chemtrail cover-ups and their geoengineering fuckery. The government and their media lapdogs can shove it. Stay sharp, stay dry and don't trust the bloody skies. I'm out, unless we're all underwater by next week, which, let's be honest, wouldn't surprise me. So there you have it. I'm Craven Morehead and that was your weather. Please remember, if you watched it and you liked it, then share it so others can enjoy it as well. Don't forget to check out Liam Stoneley anywhere he's not currently banned from. Bye for now.